Hello, lovely gardeners, and welcome back to Beautiful Rose Garden. If you've been with me for a while, you know my passion for cultivating stunning roses. And today, I'm thrilled to share a secret I've perfected over my 10 years of growing these beauties. We're talking about rooting rose cuttings, but not just any way. We're doing it the natural, simple, and incredibly effective way. No harsh chemicals, no complicated fertilizers, just a touch of kitchen magic and a sprinkle of patience. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Stick around because the most amazing transformations often start with the simplest things. Now, let's get growing. Step 1. Prepare the rose cuttings. Choose a healthy rose plant and cut a stem about 15 centimeters long. Remove all the lower leaves and wilted petals to help the plant focus on root development. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can chat from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button to support HH Beauty Garden and not miss our next useful videos. Step 3. Make the rooting mix. Separate the egg yolk into a small bowl. Chicken eggs offer several excellent benefits when rooting rose cuttings, primarily due to their rich nutritional content. Egg yolks are packed with proteins, vitamins like B12, D, E, K, minerals such as calcium, iron, zinc, phosphorus, and essential amino acids. These provide a rich source of nutrients, supplying energy for the cuttings to develop and stimulating the formation of new, strong roots quickly. Natural hormones and enzymes found in chicken eggs can act as growth stimulants, encouraging the development of the root system. By providing comprehensive nutrition, chicken eggs help the cuttings build enough resistance to withstand environmental stressors, increasing their survival rate and promoting growth into healthy young plants. Step 4. Enhance nutrition with garlic, lemon, and rice. Chop the remaining garlic. Squeeze more lemon juice. Lemon juice, with its acidic nature and high vitamin C content, offers several notable benefits when used in the propagation of rose cuttings. Roses prefer slightly acidic soil, ideal pH around 6.0 to 6.5. Lemon juice helps to lower the pH of the rooting solution or medium, creating a more favorable environment for root development. This mildly acidic setting also enhances the absorption of essential nutrients by the cutting. The citric acid in lemons has mild antiseptic qualities. When used in appropriate amounts, it can help inhibit or kill harmful bacteria and fungi on the cut surface of the rose stem. This is crucial for preventing rot and diseases, especially during the initial delicate rooting phase. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that plays a role in plant hormone synthesis and protects cells from damage. Providing vitamin C can support the overall vitality of the cutting and its recovery process after being cut. It's important to use lemon juice in appropriate quantities, as excessive acidity can be detrimental to the cuttings. Then chop the remaining lemon and add it. Add 3 tablespoons of rice. Rice provides essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and also has antibacterial antifungal properties, protecting the rose stems during the rooting process. Step 5. Prepare the growing solution. Add about 300 milliliters of filtered water to the mixture in Step 4. Stir well and let stand for about 5 minutes. Step 6. Prepare the growing medium. Use coconut fiber as the growing medium. Put the coconut fiber in a cup. Strain out the remaining residue of the solution just mixed. Take the filtered solution and soak it evenly in the coconut fiber. Prepare a plastic cup with drainage holes. Put the soaked coconut fiber into the cup, creating an ideal environment for the rose cuttings. Insert the prepared rose cuttings into the coconut fiber. Step 7. Create a humidity dome. Prepare a larger plastic cup and turn the cup upside down to cover the cup containing the rose cuttings. This creates the necessary humid environment for the rooting process. Place the entire flower pot in a cool place, ideally between 15 and 30 degrees Celsius. Step 8. Observe and transplant. After just 5 days, you will see strong roots and shoots. This is a great sign that your rose cuttings are healthy and ready to grow into new plants. Don't forget to transfer the rooted flower cuttings to a loose soil environment for planting. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this content useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the HH Beauty Garden channel, and share to spread these natural gardening methods to more people. See you in the next videos.